Hello everyone, MSRNDA2007 here, and this is going to be the 7 p.m. required weekly test on WXK85 on Wednesday, June 30th, 2021. So, yeah.
In western Oklahoma, Beckham, Custer, Roger Mills, and Washington. Through Friday morning, additional rainfall is expected today, particularly over north central and central Oklahoma, extending into southwestern Oklahoma. With nearly saturated ground, sustained or heavy rainfall...
6:59. Good going power on.
The flood watch means there is potential for flooding based on current forecasts.
Power on the vector.
You should monitor later forecasts and be alert for possible flood warnings. Those living in areas prone to flooding should be prepared to take action should flooding develop. From the Norman Forecast Office, here is the forecast for Oklahoma City and surrounding area. Rest of tonight, increasing clouds. A chance of thunderstorms early in the evening, then a slight chance of thunderstorms overnight. A chance of thunderstorms early in the morning. Lows in the lower 70s. Light and variable winds. Chance of thunderstorms 50%. Thursday, a chance of thunderstorms in the morning, then thunderstorms in the afternoon. Highs in the mid-80s.
Here we go. Went off.
You have just heard a test of the National Weather Service radio warning alarm feature. Reception of this broadcast and the warning alarm will vary at any given location. This variability, normally more noticeable at a greater distance from the transmitter, will occur even though you are using a good quality receiver in perfect working order. During severe weather, the warning alarm will be activated for severe thunderstorm and tornado watches, and for severe thunderstorm, tornado, and flash flood warnings. The warning alarm will also be used for civil emergency messages. A test of the warning alarm feature of the National Weather Service radio is conducted at 12 noon and 7 p.m. each Wednesday, unless there is a significant risk of severe weather in the area.